So hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came here on the very biggest hiring, that is from the M3. Have announced the hiring for the role of graduate recruitment ST Tech, and this is a wonderful drive and students will get the reward 100%. Okay, so you should apply with updated resume and make sure to go through the video completely before applying that. So what you need, you should be from computer science, technology or related same subjects. You should have academic background of 60% and strong programming skill, especially in Java, Python, C++ or other, and competitive coding experience will be an advantage. Means if you are doing competitive coding or good DSA, then this will be an advantage. So you should have knowledge of OOPS concept and SDLC. So if you need notes of all these concepts, then you can just join our WhatsApp or Telegram group. You will get all those stuff here. Okay, and this is a wonderful opportunity. So you will be also getting 6 to 12 weeks of training at our academy. And what are the steps to apply? First of all, you have to apply for this position, clear the first round of aptitude and coding assessment, then you have to clear the communication skilling, then technical interview होगा, then आपका final interview होगा. Remember those candidates who will get selected to join the training of 6 to 12 weeks, means आपको within 6 to 12 weeks training के लिए flexible होना चाहिए, and you should clear the end of training assessment discussion, and then only will basically conversion will be permanent. So starting salary for this is 9.15 LPA, and up to 12 months it completely depend on you that how much effort you are pushing there. Okay, so make sure to apply this. For applying, just you have to basically click here, apply now, provide the basic details. I think you know very well that how to apply. Okay, so if I click here apply, then you have to just provide the detail: first name, last name, email, category, resume. Again saying must apply with updated resume, then only there is a strong chance of getting selected. And make sure to update your resume according to the job requirement and description. That will basically give an additional advantage to all of you. So moving to the next important opportunity, you can see these are the job role preference. So either you want a banking service analyst or software development pathway, so you can select accordingly whatever the things you want, and Aadhaar detail and lots of questions are there. So you can just apply for this. These are not the hard or complex process for applying. Next important is from the macenza. They are having for the role of full stack developer intern, and this is on site. So skills required: Next.js, Node.js, React.js, and backend basics. So if you are interested, you can save your resume to this mail ID. Moving to next importantly from the Zoho. Okay, so they are hiring for the role of software developer SD2. Okay, so this is not from the Zoho, means next from the Zoho. This is from the I think company name is the hbwsl. Okay, so this is also wonderful opportunity, and these are the requirement, and CDC you can get up to 9 LPA post training stipend will be 50,000 per month, and this is wonderful opportunity, don't miss this. So this is only for 2006 graduate. Okay, next opportunity from that is last opportunity from the Zoho. They are having for the role of Zoho freshers remote, and job location is this is a remote job, work from home, so don't miss this wonderful opportunity. Okay, and these are the some requirements you should be having. Friends, if you have been selected for any interview and want to schedule mock interview with us, then you can fill our form. We will provide you complete guidance, which will basically increase your confidence and help you to clear the NQT interview. Okay, we already provided many results. If you are interested, you can apply for this. Last mod interview from the kindryl. They are having the role of software engineering power platform developer, and these are the roles and responsibility. You can just go through it and make sure to apply as soon as possible before link expire. Hope informative to you. If you have any query, we can connect on LinkedIn and you can ask any query. Till then, bye bye. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.